my name is Faith and I'm from the Roosevelt Community Center. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY calm down jar. Whenever you feel super stressed out or if your mind is racing, go ahead and grab your jar. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. The materials you're going to be needing are a glass jar. You're going to go ahead and fill it about halfway or a little less than halfway. If you're going to be making one for a child, go ahead and grab a plastic bottle. You're going to choose glitters of your choice. So I have little hearts, I have some silver and gold glitter. I also have some purple glitter. You're also going to need some food coloring. We're going to go ahead and work with red today. And you're going to need some clear glue. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your jar that's already filled up with hot water, about a little less than halfway. You're going to grab your glue. Go ahead and fill it up. So you want more glue than water. I'm going to go ahead and grab my red food coloring. Add about 1, 2, 3 drops. You can add more if you want it to be a little darker, or add less if you want it to be lighter. Next, you're going to go ahead and give your jar a shake. Be careful because it is really hot since you're working with hot water. You're going to go ahead and wait for the bubbles to cool down a little bit, and then you're going to add your glitters. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the purple glitter first. You can add as much or as little as you want. I'm also going to add some gold. Next we're going to add some silver glitter. And just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and add some heart decals right in here. And now you're going to go ahead and give it a little shake. Alright, and there you have it. Your own DIY calm down jar. Alright guys, I hope you guys all had fun making your own DIY calm down jar. Remember, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, so if you need any help or any resources, we'll go ahead and list a few in the description. Thank you so much for watching.